KLM 61 Alpha, right 090, speed 180, descent 2000 feet.
Right 090, speed 190, descent 2000.
KLM 61 Alpha, heading 150, cleared ILS 18 right.
Heading 150, cleared ILS 1818 right, KLM 61 Alpha.
United 9658, contact tower 118275.
118275, United 9658.
KLM 61 heading 150, cleared ILS 18 right.
150 cleared ILS.
KLM 212, speed 180.
KLM 212, speed 180.
On checklist, going altitude set, runway 20 flights on, landing gear check down, autopilot as required, autocross as required.
Right 150, descend and maintain 2500 feet.
KLM 61 Alpha, contact tower 118275.
118, 275, at KLM 618, break drop.
KLM
Tower, hello, KLM 61 Alpha, ILS runway 2, 1000. 18 right.
KLM 61 Alpha, wind 1504 knots, number 2, continue approach 18 right.
Continue approach runway 18 right, KLM 61 Alpha. Continuing approach, autopilot, continue off.
Approaching 18 right.
Six one Alpha, late landing clearance.
Roger, KLM
9658, vacating Victor 1.
KLM 61 Alpha, clear to land 18 right.
Correct, clear to land runway 18 right, KLM 61 Alpha. Clear to land.
United 9658, welcome to Schiphol, taxi descent Delta 3 via Victor and Zulu, hold short Zulu 2.
Approaching minimum.
KLM 61 Schiphol Tower on the ILS.
Minimums.
United 9658, say again.
Could you repeat one more time, please?
United 9658, taxi descent Delta 3 via Victor and Zulu, hold short Zulu 2.
Okay, taxi to stand Delta 3 via Victor and Zulu, short of Zulu 2, United 9658.
Yeah, that's correct. KLM 61, the wind 150 at 4 knots, your number 2 for 18 right. Continue approach.
Reverse was green.
Continue approach number 2, 61.
Auto brake in use. Reverse was until 60. Auto brake off. Slow this down and roll. KLM 61 Alpha exiting left.
Copy. KLM 61, 18 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 61.
Hey guys, I know it's been a while. I've moved on from Roblox flight simming and actually started simming. I'm also a controller on VATSIM now. I occasionally stream on Twitch, link in description. You can reach out to me for more questions on Discord or in the comments. Sorry for my voice, it was just very quiet during I was recording on OBS. I may post more of this, but I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah, that's copied, so your taxi clearance is taxi